mistake number two was thinking about scale, right? One of the things when you're running your own fractional CFO business is not only, and I tell my team this, right? Not only are we fractional CFOs and we're leading certain regions, but we're also business owners. Like for me, like I wear the other hat of the CEO of Fresh FP&A. So not only am I working with clients and spending time with clients and providing that value as a strategic finance leader and partner for them, but I'm also trying to build a business too, right? And I think you're pulled in so many different directions. And I think one of the mistakes that I made is like scaling too late. And when you think about scale, right, in running a business, that is the administrative side of running the business, the accounting of running the business, the marketing, the business development, the IT infrastructure of like your website. There's a lot of other components that come along with running a fractional CFO business that you have to put your business owner hat on or your CEO hat. And for me, I think I waited too long to bring in partners and resources to help me scale in those areas. For example, right, when you look at business development, that is a core element that a lot of fractional CFOs are probably not the best at, right? When you're talking about prospecting, you're talking about nurturing relationships, you're talking about outreach, inbound, you're talking about how do you get your message out there, how do you connect, right? That's a whole like element for fractional CFOs that is probably not the most comfortable side for them, right? And what I focused on was like, all right, that extra effort for me to get to 80% knowledge to like that 100 to that 95% knowledge, that's going to take a lot of time, energy, and effort, right? That's going to take me from other areas, whether it's servicing clients or developing the team or making sure our other teammates are building their book of business, right? It's going to take away, right? So as you look at the scale, that energy to get that extra 20% of knowledge in a certain area is going to take away from other elements of the business that may have a higher impact, right? One of the hats that you're always going to wear as a fractional CFO is like you're balancing that time and that ROI, right? Like when you're spending that hour, where hour getting the maximum amount of value in terms of building your business, whether that's for the client or building your business. So thinking about how to scale elements, right? I always have in my mentality and what I share with my team is like I'd like to have that like 60, 70% confidence and like knowledge of a certain area, whether it's business development, whether it's, IT, whether it's like, those sorts of things about building the business. I like to have that sort of knowledge and then bring on a partner to help cover me the gap of that, that 20, 25% knowledge that I need in that certain area. Right. And this is where like a complementary fractional business development company, a complementary fractional IT technology partner that you can bring on, a complementary software solution that you can help bring on. That way, you get that expertise, you get that person or that company or that agency that has that direct skill sets to get you that extra 20 to 30% of knowledge that you need in that certain element, right? So I think that was a second mistake that I made is in certain areas I was thinking about scaling too late, and it would have made more sense for me to bring on a partner, bring on a leader, bring on someone that has the skills, passions, talents, and expertise in that certain area to help me cover those gaps. So I think that's the second one.